about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my crazy life. My name is Sandra if you have not been here before, and we're about to start date night. So I'm just going to adjust my camera. It has been a long, very busy day and I'm ready to unwind. I also have plantar fasciitis in my right foot and it is killing me, so I'm going to pop a couple of Advils and hopefully it feels a lot better before I head out. So this is going to be like a get ready with me, a date night look. And my mind has flitted from look to look to look. I'm trying to decide what I want and I can't make up my mind. First it was kind of like a spring look. I've been meaning to do spring looks because spring is in the air soon in the next 20 days or so. But for date night, I'm looking for dark, for sultry, for sexy. And so then I was like, yes, smoky brown. And then I put on purple pants and I was like, no, I have to do purple to go with the purple pants. But now I'm back to the smoky brown. So I settled on two palettes. We're going to see if they're dark enough. The first one is, of course, my Patrick Ta for Eyes palette. This is the Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. Mine's a little bit dirty. It is what it is. But I'm thinking of having like a shimmery, smoky look instead of a matte look. So I've got this color here that I've got my eyes on right there. And I might use this to prep them. The second palette I have is my Soft Glam Anastasia. I haven't used this in a long time. You guys, this palette is amazing. If you do not have it, you need to buy this. I'm not trying to be an influencer and try to get you to buy things, but this palette is awesome. I love that color there, kind of mixed with the dark brown. But, okay, so you can tell this part of my body is kind of like this olive goldeny, I don't know, olive color, right? My cheeks are pink because I did blow dry. Wow. I blow dried my hair and my face got all warm, so it's all pink and I'm flushed. So I need to tone that down a little bit. I'm going to start. I don't know why my daughter is crying. I'm sorry. My mom is here to babysit tonight and my daughter's crying. My husband's yelling at the dogs. Crazy life. So I'm going to start with my Milk Makeup Hydrogrip primer. This stuff is so good. I never used it in my last makeup look because I'm like, oh, I really need to start using my other primers. And I come back to this one every single step, like every single time. So the moisturizer I used today was my Neutrogena one, just from Walmart. It is so good. For $20 a pop, I love it. Like, it makes my skin feel so silky smooth. None of the moisturizers, like none of the fancy ones I have in sample form, they don't seem to be as good. And I don't know why, but they're just not as good. So I'm going to use a brush today for my foundation. I'm using my Sigma Round Kabuki F82. This is what it looks like. They also offer a flat option, but I've got this one on hand right now, so we'll go ahead and use this. I'm also using my KVD Good Apple foundation. This is a skin perfecting foundation balm in the shade medium 051. Quick, it is easy, and it matches my skin tone right now. I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, so we have been busy today. We've been birthday planning. My son's birthday party is tomorrow, and it's going to be crazy. See, look at that. Kind of looks like a mask, but once you blend it out, it looks fantastic. Well, my son's birthday party is tomorrow, so we're trying to get everything ready, get all the food ready, and it's just been pretty hectic because it's the end of the month, and for me, business-wise at least, it's always busy for me. I've got videos coming out on my other channel, my main channel, that I have to edit and prep for. And one of my goals for March, so it's still kind of coming up, is to really get into Instagram and start posting more frequently and more, not as sporadically, because, you know, YouTube, I've nailed down a good posting schedule. I've got, basically I've got twice a week on my main channel and then once a week on this channel. And that has been working so far. I usually change it. When I had my daughter, I had to change it down to 2 on my main channel. But previously, I think I was getting up to 6 videos a week, which was ridiculous. Like, maybe if you're single, you can handle that. But yeah, it's just been, I've been swamped. And then I also have a sticker shop. So when you have a sticker shop, when you get orders, you need to fulfill orders. I don't have time to film 6 videos a week. And besides, you know what, guys, it's been proven that posting more often, like if you post 6 videos a week or 7, one every day, it doesn't really give you more income or give you more views or anything like that. You think it would, but it doesn't. Posting regularly, honestly, is the best thing for that. Okay, so do you see what I mean by this foundation? Look, it matches my skin. It looks so good. Look how, natural it looks. It looks glowy. I love this so much. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. I just hit pan. I didn't even realize it. This is the pan. And I've had this for about, is it like 7 months, 8 months? I think I bought it last spring. So maybe like closer to 10 months. I think I bought it in March. Wow. Okay. Yeah. It's actually good timing because foundation only lasts about a year. Okay. So that looks really, really nice. Now, the other thing that I was thinking of doing was adding some highlight in the form of Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. This stuff is also really, really good. I'm going to apply it with the wand. I'm using the medium shade. I kind of want to just put it everywhere because it's honestly so beautiful, you guys. But this is going to give me that beautiful glowy look. Love this product. I already repurchased a second bottle because it's so good. I do have the, not the lighter shade, I've got the shade 5 as well, because in summer when I tan, I get really, really dark. So I need to change my foundation color, my concealer color, and my, basically all the colors, the bronzer, everything. And it's always good to have multiple color bronzers on hand because then you can contour and change the look as you need to. That looks so pretty. It looks wet, like so nice. So I'm going to set this now. I'm going to have to probably pick a different type of powder because all I have is my under eye powder. And I don't know if that's good enough for this product. Just want to see how wet it actually looks like. And we still need to do under the eyes. I was going to go in with my peach color corrector, but I don't think I need it right now. I think this is good. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish in the shade Light Beige. And then we'll do eyebrows off camera because I need to make my eyebrows a bit darker if I'm going to go in with a matte brown, I think. I'm not going to highlight anywhere else with concealer, at least. I'm just going to leave it like this. Use a concealer brush. This is my Sigma Precision Angled P84. And I'm just going to keep the concealer concentrated to my under eye area and my inner corner because that's always dark. And maybe a little bit on my sunspot here. Honestly, it's just pigmentation. Around my nose because I do have extra veins there to cover up. They're kind of pink. And I don't want this to be too much here, so I'm going to bring it up on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm just going to blend it out a tiny bit more. And now we're going to cover everything up with powder. just to set it down. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micropowder in 1. It's a little light for me, so I'm going to see what it looks like under the eyes first and go from there. I prefer using a really fine micropowder because I've been noticing it really does help with under eye creasing. And you can see it's just kind of taking a little bit of that shine away, so it's not looking so wet. It's looking a little bit more set down. I'm going to switch my brush, and I'm going to do the rest of my face here. Now I'm all powdered. So yeah, before I do anything else, I want to do eyebrows. So I'm going to go off camera, quickly do that. We'll be right back. So I don't think I'm going to do any bronzer. Usually I always do. And today I'm going to skip the bronzer. We're going to go straight into blush slash bronze, I guess. It is the Benefit Dallas blush. I used to use this all the time, and then I stopped, and I don't really know why. I think I just started using different palettes, different colors, but we're gonna go back to this for right now. I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks, maybe my nose, we'll see. Add a little bit to the nose, why not? Blend it really good. It has a little bit of a shine to it, so that kind of helps in the glow factor. Okay. And then I was going to use a little bit of my Milani Luminoso. This is the shade 05. It's an old favorite of many people. Put a little bit of this on as well. And then part of me is wondering whether I should even put shadow on at all, because sometimes when I line my eyes, pile on the mascara, pile on the lashes, and then just put lip gloss on, it looks so good. Let me think about it. I mean, dark brown eyes look fantastic too. Don't get me wrong. Speaking of that, I'm going to put on some lip gloss. I've got 2. I want plump lips. Plump, that sounds so, I don't like that word. But I want to make them appear a bit fuller. So I'm going to use my Buxom Plumping Lip Polish. And this one is the shade Samantha. It is like the neutral gloss. Definitely has a tingle to it, so if you don't like that feeling, you should not be using these. Okay, so I think I've made up my mind. I'm not going to do shadow. I'm just going to do liner, and I'm going to do lots of mascara, big lashes today, and it's just going to look really, really sexy. So that's kind of the look we're going for today. I've got my mascara. The mascara that I'll use is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. Gotta be my favorite mascara of all time. I'm going to use Morphe Color Pencil in Dark Room for the pencil liner on my waterline and to tight line. The liquid liner is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner in black. And the lashes, for honest to goodness, I cannot tell you which lashes they are. They are the Kiss lashes, the Triple Push-Up Collection, I believe, and the Style Bercier. I think that's what they are. Those are the ones I'm using. I've had them for a long time. I've used them probably about the last, like, I'd say 20 times. They're so good, and they're really stunning. You'll see them when they go on. I've used them in lots of makeup looks. So, and also the glue I've been loving right now is by Lily Lashes. It's like the only one available. They had a House of Lashes by Sephora before, but I haven't been able to get it in stock. So my next Sephora haul, I'm going to try to see what I can get. So without further ado, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do all of the eye stuff because that stuff is just very tedious to do on camera. I never do mascara on camera anyway. And then we'll come back with a little bit of highlighter. We'll be right back and see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, I think the lashes are good. It's like literally the first time I put them on and they did not go crazy. They look good. And I miss when I did my makeup like this. I usually do shadow all the time, but sometimes it's just beautiful not doing that and having glowy skin, rosy cheeks. plump lips. Oh, I'm not going to say that word. Okay. The last thing that I will be doing today is some highlighter. So now I do have to confess that before I did my eyes, I went ahead and put on some setting spray. This is my favorite currently, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Love this stuff so much. So let's go ahead and add some highlighter. I'm going to take my teeny tiny pencil brush. Well, it's actually a detailed lip brush, the LO4 by Sigma, but it's like a basically very, very small pencil brush. I'm going to dip it in the highlighter and highlight the inner corner of my eye. Do you see how it instantly adds like a different color? Just like this beautiful highlight here. And I'm also going to do a little bit under the brow. And then we move on to the other eye. We're going to add a touch of highlighter to the face. So I'm using a bigger brush now, a little bit to the Cupid's bow, a little bit on the tip of the nose, a little bit on the bridge, leaving a space where there's no highlighter, a little bit between the eyebrows, on the cheekbones, and then on the cheekbones, I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with my powder brush. And that is it. That completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe. I would love to continue to grow this channel as well. Join me on Instagram. I'll leave my tag down below, and make sure to press the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video so you won't miss out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye, friends.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.